Good morning, you guys. So, I'm officially probably gonna be late to work. Depending when I upload my previous vlog, today's Wednesday, and today is when I go to the sister clinic. So, shoot, I'm really late. Obviously, I'm like almost out of breath. Whew. The good thing is that it's Thanksgiving week, and it's the Thanksgiving break. So there's not a lot of cars, and I did my makeup today. Unlike yesterday. I mean, yesterday was Tuesday, so I was a medical assistant yesterday, and I don't typically like to wear makeup. Sorry, I'm gonna clean my boogers. Mostly because I am running around like a chicken with its head cut off. So, yeah. And then that's my son, Angel. Say hi, baby. Right now I'm going to go drop him off at his aunt's house, which is my older sister. It's currently 7:40. I should have left my house at 7:30 so I could get to the sister clinic by 8:12, 8:30. 10 minutes late. It is currently raining. Raining. So I can't be driving at 60 miles per hour. Should be fun. I honestly don't think a lot of people go out driving in the rain, because we've had times where when I worked at the clinic, that nobody would come out because it's raining. So like early March, and then with the fires that have been recently happening around here, because of the air quality, not a lot of people have been going to the appointments. They've been canceling and rescheduling for a different day. So let's see how it goes at the sister clinic, because that should be interesting. I tried a different angle today. I had my phone the other way, so you guys, like, in my previous vlog, you're like looking at the steering wheel and like half of my face. So I tried flipping my phone the other way, and you guys could go ahead and let me know which angle you guys prefer. I don't mind. So that's been my morning. I didn't have breakfast. I almost forgot my lunch. Well, technically, I almost forgot to get a lunch, because, I mean, sometimes when I work at the sister clinic, I'll go down to the market down below and I'll go get something to eat. But it's raining today. I don't feel like driving. So, oh fuck. But I have to go get the mail today. After all. Okay. So, I don't know. Well, I'm about to drop off my son, and I'll probably pick up on my way like towards the clinic, because these videos might be a little too long, and I don't want them to be too long and have you guys get super bored. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Oh my goodness. But today I get to be in the front at the sister clinic, so I'm going to be a receptionist today. Hopefully we don't have a crazy day today. It is raining, so there's a 50-50 chance patients will not come into the clinic. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if patients didn't come into the clinic. It's freaking pouring rain. If I didn't have to come to work, I would not come to work. Like, you got me messed up if you think I'm about to be driving in the rain. I don't like driving in the rain. That is my biggest pet peeve, is that if I have to go somewhere and it's raining, I will not go unless it's like an emergency or like I have to go out. I have to not driving. Nope. And if I have like my mom, basically my mom, I'll have her drive because I hate driving in the rain. I get so scared. But like, if it's like from my house to like same place, whatever. But if I have to go onto the freeway, nope. I'm like the old granny driving in the rain. I hate driving in the rain. It's not for me. Okay. Woo! That scared the fuck out of me. Oh shit. Is anybody here? Oh shit, I don't think anybody's here yet. And it's already 8:30. The lights are on in the clinic though. Wow. Yeah, this better not be like last time when I came. I thought the provider was here and she was not even here. She hadn't even gone into the clinic and the freaking doors were unlocked. All the doors in the clinic were freaking closed, like the patient's rooms. The provider room was closed. The behavioral health obviously was closed. But I was like, honey, no. And then I find a freaking black grasshopper. And then in the back of the clinic, it sounded like someone was trying to break. Oh my god, I thought I broke my jarritos. I was like, fuck. But I didn't. It's just really cold. What was I saying? Oh yeah, it sounded like in the back someone was trying to break in. I was like, fuck this shit. No. And then one of the MAs that's it happened on a Thursday, I think. So one of the MAs that typically comes on Thursdays, she called out sick. So then one of my favorite MAs had gone from the main clinic to here, and I was freaking out, and I told her, she's like, you're crazy. I'm like, I'm not crazy. I should have taken a picture of the black grasshopper because that shit was creepy. And then it had a pinche pierna torcida or chueca or something, and I was just like, what the hell? What is this shit? And now my provider's not here and my MA isn't here, my other favorite MA. What the hell? I need to give them names. Let's see, the other one, I'm gonna call her Chinita because she got Chinese eyes kind of a thing going on. I'm gonna call her Chinita. And then the other one, I'm gonna call her Miss Peruvian because she's Peruvian. What should I call the other one? The Shirley has a nickname because she has the same name as my supervisor, but I don't want to use that name because technically it's a legal name within the clinic, if that makes sense. I'm going to think of what I'm going to call her. So I have Chinita, Miss Peruvian, which are two of my favorite MAs. And I need to give a name to the other one. She's here! Miss Peruvian. Okay. I'm not alone. Bye, you guys.